What's going on there, YouTube? Well, been absent from YouTube here a little while. Been back on the overtime business. Most of you guys know me well enough. Usually about after the time track show season gets wound down, overtime winds up. I mean, overtime's great and all for making some extra cash and whatnot, but I'm kind of getting behind in my videos and some house projects here, but doing a little bit of a cleanup here on the O10 because I might have found something that might work a little bit better for what we're going to be getting up to here, so I can't just come out and tell you guys what's going on, or else, spoil the surprise maybe. But, hey, gotta treat yourself sometime, I guess, but we'll see what happens. But anyway, it's just been getting chilly up here, up in Old Keswick. We've been working hard. I've kind of been getting falling behind my scrap metal take-ins here, as you guys can see here in just a moment. We got a whole pile of junk to take in there, but like I said, I've been working every single Saturday, so I mean, you can't do both. You scrap your clothes by the time you get home. I had a nice little fire up here the other night, so that was kind of nice to unwind for a minute. Did a little landscape project. Some of you guys might remember when I bought my house there a couple years ago. I went and dug the side of the house out and I blue skinned the side of the crawl space. Need to cut my sod already, but I wanted to match a little bit of a swale here so that way we can not have some drainage problems. So don't need drainage problems, so yeah, I got a nice little, it's hard to see now with the sod growing up so much, but yeah, I'll cut that here one of these nights when it's not raining, and then I gotta get some stone here still to put underneath these steps. I gotta pull these out, and I'm gonna level some stone up, and then we'll bring the slabs over, put those on, put the steps underneath, and then, we'll be cooking with gas. Yeah, the other old truck's still here. We got these tires are still for sale, the 245 75 R16. You guys do know that stone isn't right around the corner. I mean, I hate to say that, but you guys know it's $200 or $350, almost brand new tires. Yeah. Oh. What's that little box there? I mean, you guys know me well enough. It might be, it could be truck parts. It could be a farm toy. I mean, like I said, I can't just come out and tell you guys what's going on here, or else you won't watch the video. You got to keep you guys guessing, So another video on that coming up. You got the old scrap metal drop off here. That's kind of how I got a lot of that stuff so fast. A lot of you guys probably seen on Instagram what's going on anyway, but it's better to have, I think it's better to have vocals, so I mean, I'm making a video for you guys. Most of you guys probably saw that I did that the other weekend. Color matched the tow mirrors up here on the big project truck, so that's looking nice now. And of course I had to mock up the fender flares and whatnot in the front just to get a nice little shot, of course. So did a little wet sand on these lights there a while ago, but need to upgrade my sandpaper. I only had 1500, so this will come off here. This rubbed off a little bit, so I started to wet sand on that a little bit too, but they kind of got away on me, so like I showed you guys that. I pounded that dent out of there and did a quick little Bondo job on that, so I might come by here and touch this up one of these days. Got a few little spots in the driver's door and whatnot to do. I want to paint this and whatnot next time I get some red paint. Or not red paint. See that? See, that's the farm toy guy. You see the International Heart sticker said red. Silver brush metallic. I mean, you could paint the tailgate handle red. I mean, some guys might not get the reference, but maybe, some of my tractor fans on YouTube might, but, yeah. Did both sides. Did pretty good. Truck actually looks, half decent from there on, and then you get to the fender here. I still need to track some fenders down for it, so I think every time I made a video about it, I pick a little piece off the fenders and tell you guys that, but I just haven't got that far, so I'm kind of getting to the way I was hoping to get one truck to kind of look pretty and one truck to, well, go to work with. So it's kind of what's been going on here. I need to wash this thing, but yeah, that's pretty much been it. I wanted to apologize for no videos lately here. We've just been busy all the time. So I'd like to thank you guys for hanging around and whatnot. So, well, that tailgate handle on this truck was just brand new on Friday night, but I mean, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference now, but away she goes. Anyways, just a quick little update for you guys here, and if you guys like our sheep, it's kind of rate, subscribe, and stay tuned. Maybe we'll open that up here possibly tonight, possibly tomorrow night. I might have a video for you guys then. I did a little bit of custom farm time stuff last weekend. I got a video to post about that. So anyway, we'll see you guys here soon.